peachette provided by Nintendo.
Today, we're making Super Crown Cupcakes inspired by new Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe.
Hey everybody, with new Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe now out and the Super Crown being super fun, we decided that we were gonna make
cupcakes!
And we thought it would be fun to try to get the cupcakes as close to the Super Crown as possible.
Knowing us, we're gonna try at least.
Emphasis on try. Here's all the ingredients we're using today.
Let's get started.
Step 1, preheat your oven to 350 degrees.
Step 2, mix cake mix, water, oil, and eggs in a large bowl.
Step 3, mix with a whisk or electric mixer.
Step 4, pour into cupcake pan.
Step 5, put them in the oven for 12 to 17 minutes.
Step 6, cut your crown out of a sugar sheet.
And while we're waiting for these guys to come out of the oven, let me tell you about new Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe.
New Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe contains new Super Mario Bros. U and the more challenging new Super Luigi U plus 2 new characters. When Toadette picks up a Super Crown, she turns into Peachette and can double jump, float slowly during freefall, and boost back up when she falls into a pit. When playing as Nabbit, you won't be hurt by enemies and can earn extra 1-ups at the end of stages. 2 full games, 164 stages, multiple modes, creative power-ups, and the ability to play anytime, anywhere. You get all this and more when playing new Super Mario Bros. U Deluxe for Nintendo Switch, available now.
Now let's get our cupcakes! The final step is to decorate them, and who better to decorate them than Jax Makes Things herself, Jax! Well, he looks so good, I kinda hate to destroy him now and put him into my stomach, but, well, that's what we're here to do on this show. Oh! Ding!
Tastes like a cupcake.
Tastes like a cupcake. Tastes like a strawberry cupcake, because of course we use the strawberry mix. What do you think?
I like it. I mean, I like cupcakes, so I just want to taste what this crown is tasting like. It's not good.
So, good for decorating. It kind of just tastes like chalk mixed with sugar.
I mean, if you're gonna go all this way to get sugar sheet for the crown, you might as well just go with paper and then just take it off like you do a cupcake liner.
I'm just eating the cupcake now. Well, that was it. I thought it tasted pretty good, for a cupcake, but I think it definitely looked better than it tasted.
Of course, at the end of the day, it tastes like a strawberry cupcake, but that sugar sheet, just forego that part. Just use paper.
Yeah. Overall, I'd say I'd give the cupcake a 7 out of 10 on taste and a 10 out of 10 on presentation.
Oh, absolutely. I agree.
Well, guys, that's all the time we have today on Let's Cook. Join us next time as we cook something else. Bye, guys.
Bye.